The G2000 is the innovative, rear deploy ladder rack. It is universal, and can be installed on all types of vehicles, cargo vans, service or utility bodies, bucket trucks, trailers and pickup trucks. Let's see how it works on a Ford F-150 pickup truck. The G2000 ladder rack can be installed on a pickup with caps or racks, by using a universal bracket kit. The G2000 ladder rack releases ladders a few inches above the ground vertically. The back works ergonomically, so lifting is limited to the lower loop. The G2000 ladder rack is fully assisted by a hydraulic system, consisting of shock absorber and gas springs that work both on descent and ascent, up to a capacity of 132 pounds. The G2000 ladder rack is adjustable, according to ladder size, by tuning the four upper elements. The two loops work in the forward and backward holding, and the horizontal bars in the side holding. The ladder rack's extension can also be adjusted according to the height of the roof, by acting on the end stop on measuring tape, underneath the G2000. The G2000 ladder rack is made of aluminum and stainless steel to preserve it from rusting. Maintenance is minimal and consists of keeping bearings and hydraulic pistons clean and lubricated. For all the reasons above, the G2000 performs exceedingly, especially when operating heavy ladders on high-roof vehicles. The G2000 ladder rack is a perfect solution for your needs.